Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts What's in the Box. My name is Jake and today I am going to be going over what is in March's Smart Art box. We got a lot of interesting stuff this month, so let's hop down below and get this box open. So like always, you will open up your box and see your Smart Art brochure. Opening this up, you will see some history of the materials in this box, as well as a list of everything that will be in this box this month. Flipping to the next page, you will see the 6-step quick start guide that will give you a very basic idea on how to use the materials in this box. Flipping to the next page, you will see your skill challenge guide that will help you push yourself and use these materials in a more advanced way this month. And then flipping to the back of the brochure, you will see some tips on how to achieve the best results this month, as well as your weekly challenge prompts for this month. Now for the first product out of this box is the MARABU Textile Fabric Paints. These very opaque water-based paints are very bright and highly pigmented. These paints work great on many natural fabrics like cotton, linen, and more. These bright colors work great on darker backgrounds and can be heat set to your fabric to help create some beautiful, fun designs in your clothing. The next thing out of this box is the MARABU Red Shimmer Fashion Spray. This pigmented water-based spray will leave a very soft finish to your piece. Once the paint is heat set, you can wash these fabrics safely without removing the paints. This will help create some really pretty designs on this month's projects. Next out of this box is the MARABU Silhouette Stencil. This is a very durable stencil that will work hand in hand amazingly with the fashion spray to create some really interesting designs in your piece with very crisp lines. I can't wait to see what I will be able to make with the final piece using this stencil. Alright, now the next thing out of this box is the MARABU Fashion Liners. This liner will help create some great highlights and lettering in your pieces. The extremely fine tip on the bottle will help create some very fine lines, and once the paint is heat set and dry, it becomes very soft to the touch. I can't wait to use this on my piece this month. The next thing out of this box are the Royal and LANGNICKEL brushes. These amazing and durable brushes will work amazing to create any painting you will want to make this month. With its strong handles and very sharp edge bristles, you will be able to create some amazing work with these. And the last thing out of this box is the set of CRAFTER'S Companion Denim Sheets. This set comes with 3 different shades of denim, so you can choose what fits best for the piece you're going to be making. These denim sheets work great for swatch testing pieces if you're going to make a larger piece, or it will also work great as a standalone canvas to make your final work on. And of course, we can't forget about our candy and sticker to finish off the box. So this is everything in this month's box. So how about we hop into our final piece using these materials. So for the final piece, I actually decided to apply the paints to a pair of shoes. I used the denim sheet as like a tester by making the rows, and I wanted to bring that over to this shoe. Now these paints worked great on these shoes, but I do suggest if you're going to do something like this, pick a material closer to denim or something like it. The paints went on much different on this than it did with the test strip, so if you want more of a one-to-one comparison while learning the materials, I suggest doing something a little less suede-ish like this. So I'm only going to show you all me making just the one shoe, since I mimicked the same painting on the other shoe. I played around a lot with how I applied the paints, making some layers a bit more watered down, and some applying just almost straight out of the bottle. Both had great advantages when I wanted to make certain parts pop, and other areas a little bit more subtle. Now I put this white layer down as more of a base primer layer for the rest of the paint to lay on, to really ensure the best color quality. But I'm going to be quiet, I'm going to let you guys enjoy this beautiful shoe creation, and I will see you guys at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the materials in this box. These materials were a lot of fun to work with, but now it's your turn to see what you can create using the materials in this box. Also, don't forget about the weekly challenge prompts on the back of your brochure, as well as the weekly challenge videos where I try to tackle each challenge myself. Complete all 4 of the weekly challenge prompts and post them using the hashtag SmartArtWeekly and Smart Art Project to get your 500 peacock points. Also, if you haven't yet, make sure to check out these Smart Art bundles, where each box has its own set of materials focused on a very specific medium. If you want more information on that, make sure to check out the Smart Art webpage. So make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over at my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!